YouTube, how y'all doing? Good afternoon. I'm back. I'm Frank, and I am attempting to be the weekly wealth emperor of this channel, brand new weekly wealth empire. Go figure. What happened? Um, I got fired. Yep, I got fired. I was with them for like 3 years. My last job, I was with them for like 3 years, and they fired me. But I was making moves already, so I think they retired me. I think I'm retired. But I put that question out there. So my previous video had a couple of videos out already that asked was I fired or retired. My last videos I showed you I made a few dollars last week. But at the same time I lost a little bit of money and I'm seeking to get that back. But my overall goal is um, weekly wealth or weekly income. I'm not punching somebody else's clock. I'm not. I can't do it. I'm tired. 52 years old. I'm retired, man. I have to do it. Anyway, to the nitty gritty. This is what I do. So, in order for me to be retired, I invest in ETFs. I don't have time to run through stocks and track them and look. No. ETFs are fantastic. They help a lot. I didn't get started with ETFs until I came across a channel, YouTube channel, random guy on YouTube named Jaspreet Singh. I'm always going to send him a plug, even if he don't even know me. If he never comes to my channel, I'm always going to highly recommend anybody to go and watch Minority Mindset with Jaspreet Singh. He will teach you a lot. And it's not do as I do, you can make money this way. No, he teaches you how to think about how you earn money, think about how you keep money, think about how you spend money, and ultimately think about how you can rest and let your money work for you, which is what I'm attempting to do. So, this week is August 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, August 7th is the ex-dividend date of the stock that I'm in right now, which is over here. Okay? So, the stock that I'm in is called OARK. Okay? So, I was having issues last week because I found out that I was getting into stocks and playing in money that was being manipulated, don't quote me, I think was manipulated by market makers because I noticed a lot of spoofing going on. At the time I didn't know it was spoofing, but now I know that they were spoofing the price. As a matter of fact, they still spoofing the price, and I'm gonna show you something in a little while. But for right now, I'm in OARK. Okay, this stock right here, and basically it's moving. I got in at $8.81, and you can see it's ready to go to. It looks like it won't blow up from right here. It's ready to go. I would like for that stock to hit $11 a share. I'm just saying, if they can hit $11 a share, which is its all-time high, this is annual high. 52-week high is $11.35 a share. If I could get them, it's not me. If I could, I can only hope that it makes it that high, which is nice money. It's a nice little gain on an investment of $8.31 a share per share, and I have like 4,300, 4,800. I have 4,800 shares, 49. So with 4,900 shares, OARK is going to be paying me 34 cents a share. Okay, that's about $1,800, $1,700 I think, 16 something, 16 and change. So I'll get $1,700 in dividends Friday. See, so it says ex-div date tomorrow, which means ex-div is the date of record. So as of today, I'm an owner, official owner of 4,883 shares. Tomorrow, if anybody was to buy some shares tomorrow, they wouldn't be entitled to any dividend that's paid on Friday, because this is the official day that owners are recognized. Tomorrow is the official day that shares are traded with basically no owner recognition, no entitlement to the dividend that's going to be paid on Friday. So Wednesday, buy, Thursday, wait, Friday, collect. That's how it goes. Well, with my mindset anyway. So I got this money in. I'm waiting on them. We're actually up a little bit, $300 in. So that's a gain. So if I'm scheduled to get about 1,600, if the prices stay right, I'll get 1,600 in dividends. Plus, I'll sell either tonight or tomorrow with $300 up. So total dividends plus gains would be about $1,900, $2,000. Okay, this is this week. Now, next week, I am looking at NVDY. Now, NVDY is its ex-dividend is the 14th next week, paying between 97 cents and $1 a share. Only thing is, it's running at $17 a share. Not bad to me. I don't really mind. So I'm planning on watching this, and see, this is a tight price, because it's between, it's right now currently $17.49. Okay, it just ticked, but at the same time, the low is $12 and the high is 26. But right now, we're watching it hover in the 17s. But see, I still have time, because I'm going to watch this stock to see if they try to manipulate the price. Oops, not that one, this one. If they try to manipulate the price, which it doesn't look like they do that in here. This looks like natural prices. Because remember how I was telling you that if they manipulate the price, it'll go like straight slants. This looks like a natural price flow. Natural price flows mean equal market opportunity, means equal opportunity for price and profit. Okay. So I'm gonna watch this one, because hopefully it'll tank in time next week that I can get in and get this 97 cents to $1.07 a share. I want the price to go low so I can get a lot of shares. Okay, I'm not exactly sure. I'm still watching. This is a good thing about when you're running these. I have between 5 to 7 days to figure out what my next play is going to be. So while I'm retired, officially retired from punching somebody's clock, I'm working for myself. Okay, so I have money to earn, and I have goals to make, because I want to actually start traveling. Okay, so this is my plan for next week. My plan for the week after. I plan a month. I have planned a month, because I have to watch prices, like legit. Now, CONY, they stole money from me. This is what I'm so upset with them. Okay, CONY, this is what I was trying to get you to understand. I lost money with them. I basically got in the CONY. I made like $3,600 in dividends. Okay, I had pulled $3,600 in dividends. I thought I could pull up my dividend history with them, but I pulled up like $3,600 in dividends. But at the same time, the market makers were tanking the price, and I didn't know they was actually tanking the price. You see what I'm saying? And so I'll give you an example. I was actually prepared. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you this. Boom. right here. This, I figured out how to mirror my phone to the screen. This is CONY on my phone. Now, this is what I was trying to show y'all last week, my last video. On Robinhood, I can go here, right here. When I can click in there, I get the order book. Now, everybody doesn't have an order book in here. And I haven't found out whether or not if everybody has an order book, period, accessible online. I just know that this order book right now with CONY, this is how I was finding out that these people were spoofing the price. See these prices? These prices are so bogus that they're designed to keep a buffer up. And so what happens is with CONY, see these big walls? It tanks the price. See these big walls of movement? Tanking down. They just tank the price down. So what does that tell us? Okay. Well, it tells me that as a retail investor, I'm not even a part of the machine. All I can do is watch and wait. So now I see them heading down, get this price down into the sixes. Okay. Now they're still going to end up paying, 18 to 20 cents a share. But what happens is that if they tank the price and everybody jumps ship, you can just get all of these, you can get all the stock at the bottom. See how it thins out at the bottom? These are the legitimate prices. And legitimate, I mean, these are prices that even the market makers want, basically. See these down here? People are confident to have these. And the ex-div date for CONY is in 2 weeks. So the way that they're tanking this price, about 2 weeks, it'll be in the 600s. I mean, the $6 and some odd change. I don't think they'll tank it to 5. I won't think they would do it like that. But when they tank it to 6 and grab all that money, and I think they're gonna do it, they're gonna tank it to 6, and when they get to 6, right before they give out the dividends, they're gonna grab it all up cheap. They're getting buying cheap dividends at 20 cents a share. I promise you, I'm gonna try to be down there to get that money, right with them. So I'm watching this. I'm watching CONY. That's for 3 weeks. 3 weeks from now, and really 2 weeks from now. Okay. CONY, August 21st. Now, to finish out my month, I'm going to be working with, I'm going to try to get my hands on some SMCY. Now, again, this is a cycle. I'm just finding ones that I can work with, that I can deal with. Sorry, my phone's sliding. I'm finding people that I can work with, that I can deal with, that I can study, so that if I know how the prices move, you don't need to be in multiple, like 16 different stocks. You need really a core set, 2, 3, 5. I have about 4 right now that I really watch, okay? And I think these are gonna be my main ones that I'm gonna be cycling into every month, that I can get a check every month, every week. This is a weekly wealth. You clearly see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 stocks set up for each week. So, August 28th, the end of this month, I'm trying to get into SMCY. Now, what happened with SMCY, I messed up. I bought SMCY when it was like $20 a share. I was messing up, but I still caught a good dividend. You see what I'm saying? But now I know that they're gonna drop down. It's at $16. It's at $16, and so hopefully by the time I think they might go. Let's see what the price is. the week low, 52 week low, 16.16. They're there. 50 cents. So they got 2 weeks to drop this stock 50 cents or lower, which is what they're probably gonna do. And then, cause peep game, SMCY is gonna pay, what is that? Between $1.75 and $1.94 a share. Stop playing. At $16 a share, dog. Stop playing. I'm jumping on that bandwagon, baby. Stop playing. Okay? So you see how that joint roll? You see how it goes now? Every week I'm looking for money. Every week I'm trying to get paid. My job fired me. They thought they did. They actually retired me. Now I work for myself. I wake up every day, I'm happy. I think about my finances, how I'm going to get paid and keep it moving. I think about I'll get on a boat. I'm getting healthier. You have more time to do nothing. Like, people are like, oh, since you're retired, what do you do? Nothing. Whatever I want. I go to lunch when I want. I have a routine. I have an old man routine, man. I wake up in the morning. I go to Dunkin', give me a drink and some bacon, and I freaking come watch my money till 12. Go watch Cheaters till 2. Check my money before the market close. See how it's doing. This is it. Get ready to go to school. I got class tonight. I'm finna graduate with a Bachelor's of Science in Finance. I got 2 more classes, and then I'll graduate in January. So yeah, these are my plans for me. Now, what do you do with what you do, as your entertainment? This is entertainment. This is for me. This is what I'm doing to document. For if anybody was to ask, Frank, how did you make your money? Check my channel. And it's probably going to cycle just like this until I find something new to switch one of these ETFs out. I'm going to keep on cycling through and build the money up. So this is what I'm going to do. When the dividend hits for OARK, I'll give you an update video Friday or Saturday, possibly Monday. Then I'll give you another video when I'm setting up for NVDY next week. Then I give you an update for that one. Then I set you up for CONY, update for that one with that dividend, and then set up for SMCY. Update, set up, dividend. I'm going to try to do it like that. I'm a little busy. I still have classes and stuff. I still have people that want to go into business with me and do other stuff. And I'm possibly going to have some students. Weird. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Let's get some money. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm doing? Let's get some dollars. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate your time. I'll let you know what happens on Friday.